If you're experiencing crashing issues with your Steam Deck, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem. This guide will help you identify potential causes and provide solutions to get your device running smoothly again. Step 1. Restart your Steam Deck. Sometimes, a simple restart can resolve temporary glitches. Hold down the power button until the menu appears, then select Restart to reboot your device. Step 2. Check for software updates. Ensure your Steam Deck is running the latest software. Go to Settings, select System, and then click on Check for updates. Install any available updates to improve stability and performance. Step 3. Verify game files. If crashes occur while playing specific games, verify the integrity of the game files. Open your Steam library, right-click on the game, select Properties, go to the Local Files tab, and click on Verify Integrity of Game Files. Step 4. Adjust graphics settings. High graphics settings can cause crashes on some games. Lower the graphics settings within the game options or use the Steam Deck's performance settings to find a balance between visuals and stability. Step 5. Reinstall problematic games. If a specific game continues to crash, consider uninstalling and then reinstalling it. This can resolve any corrupted files or installation issues that may be causing the crashes. If you follow these steps and the problem persists, consider reaching out to Steam support for further assistance.